Welcome to this Enterprise Reporter video demonstration. In this video demonstration, we'll be showing you how to create a discovery for file storage analysis data and using that data to run a report. This data can be especially useful when determining storage considerations for expanded network storage devices or file server changes within an environment. We'll start in the Configuration Manager, where we will run a discovery. To do so, we select New Discovery and File Storage Analysis. As per usual, we insert some information about the discovery task, and then click Next. The Scope section is simply determining the scope of the discovery task. We have two specific servers that we use for file storage. We'll select these two and click OK. You can also tell the discovery to collect item-specific data, like folders, files, and ownership. When we're finished, we'll click Next. You can schedule this discovery task to run regularly to coincide with reports that are run on the regular. But in this case, we're just going to run it manually with a right click and then clicking Run. After the discovery task finishes, you could view some statistics on the discovery task itself. How many files, folders, owners, shares, and other information it discovered. To create a report on this data, we head to the Report Manager. We create a report by clicking Create, then Report. And we'll insert some general information about the report name. And within the Fields section, we select some file storage analysis data and fields that we want to include in the report. The Parameters and Query tab can be utilized as needed. And in this scenario, we're going to auto-generate a data-bound report. Creating a custom layout is possible, though, using the Design New button. So next we select Data-Bound Report and click Next. Next, we select the columns we want to display in the report and click Finish. Here we're presented with a preview of the document, and we'll click OK. Now we will select the task under My Reports and click Run Report. As you can see, all the requested data is displayed in the report nicely, and there are various options to utilize, including export options, email options, as well as print options. This concludes this demonstration on creating a file storage analysis discovery and running a corresponding report on that data. Thank you for watching. To learn more about Enterprise Reporter or access our 30-day free trial, please visit us online.